Armadillo Lizard Facts. Meet the armadillo lizard, a fascinating reptile from South Africa. This creature is famous for its unique defensive curling strategy. When threatened, it rolls into a ball, resembling an armadillo. This behavior is rare among reptiles, making it quite unique. Its body is covered in thick, spiky scales, creating a formidable armor against predators. The body design is not just for defense, it aids in their survival. These lizards are social creatures, living in groups or colonies. This is unusual, as most lizards are solitary by nature. Lastly, their diet mainly consists of termites, making them a natural pest controller. A remarkable creature indeed. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wandering with us at Untamed Insights.